Hello, good afternoon guys. We are here in Kuwait City na. That one already building, and this place I don't know. But very near. It means very near in Kuwait City na. Very near. Ikot-ikot lang, sandali. Then punta ng ano yung tower na puntahan natin, Day?
Tower ng Kuwait.
Tower ng Kuwait? Kuwait Tower. No, not Kuwait Tower, guys. We're going to UTC building. UTC building. After UTC, we're going to Muhammad Center, and then next Muhammad Center going to Studio Mukan. Okay, then halas na. We'll buy something, then we will eat something, then we will go home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buy me 23 kilos chocolate. Yay!
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. That's why we go out.
Okay. Buy for me also. Buy for me
23
also.
kilos chocolate coming.
Hala, patay. Where that building, guys. Oh, guys. What's the name of that building? Orido building. Yeah. You know, Orido building, guys. So long also. No? Look at that. Another building. That one.
Hindi
That
ba mainit
building.
kapag mga 7?
No, it's a little hot night. Going to Bear. Yan, guys. Ito na kami. City na talaga to, guys. Kuwait City na talaga to, guys. Unexpected gala-gala ng mga kaibigan ko, guys. Kasi i-treat daw nila ako kasi mag-uwi na sila sa Pilipinas. Si Mami Lala, bili daw siya ng maraming chocolate.
Bili mo ng chocolate.
Maraming chocolate. So, sama na lang ako kasi
Sama, sinama mo.